guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Amelia here, and today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to show you one box of my fidget collections, which that means I have 4 buckets filled with fidget collections. So you guys can stay tuned for part 2, part 3, and part 4 because I have 4 buckets. This is part 1, so I have a full bucket for you guys that I'm going to show you my fidget collection. So let's start. But make sure you guys like and subscribe if you haven't already. So first I have these Mac and Squeeze. They're by Nido, and they smell very good to me. They don't have like the Nido texture. Like you can put your hands through them like that. They're like monkey noodles, but they're like thicker and like you can put your hand through them. So yep, that's the different thing about them. And they are squishy, and it comes with a pack of 4. So you get yellow, pink, blue, and green. You just squish them all together. They're very cool. So then, yeah, I kept the lid in the box because if I want to like play with them, then I'm gonna need like all of them because if you just have one, it's fun, but it's not as fun. So I'm gonna put them back in the box. And yeah, I do have a monkey noodle as well. Yeah, so let's put those there for now. Next, I have it used to be my favorite Poppet, but I got a lot of Poppets since I got this one. So this was one of my first Poppets, and it's really good. Like, listen to the sound. And then this is the good side. So yes, I love this puppet a lot. It's rainbow as well. So then I have this big heart puppet with heart pops on it, which this one is very cool. I love this one as well. Like there's like, I don't know how many pops, probably a lot. I don't know how many pops there is though. I never counted. Then this one, it's a big unicorn puppet, and I got it for my birthday. This one is very cool. Yes, and then it has a big eye. I wish the eye popped. That would be very cool, but it's pretty hard. But I also recommend this one. I don't know the price of this. It's probably a lot because it's very big. Like, look at it. It's bigger than my face. Well, a lot of puppets are bigger than my face. Some puppets. I got this from Claire. It's a little octopus, and the middle pops, and then the little circles around it that have puppets as well. So that's cool. I have a lot of puppet stuff. This is a bracelet, so that doesn't count as a fidget. But so here we have this. I got from Dollar Tree. I got like a pink one too, a blue one. Oh, and a mochi. I named him Bob. Look at that face. It's so cute. It looks like he's hungry or he thinks something's delicious. A regular puppet. So just like regular, not giant, not mini, but it is a popsicle, so that's pretty good. And we have a, what is this called again? Lucky Track. This is a slow rising. It's very slow rising. It's a big, fluffy, squishy, and they're called Squish Plush, I'm pretty sure. Let's see, does it have a name? Oh no, it doesn't have a name. I can just name it whatever I want. That's pretty cool. Another jumbo puppet. I'm pretty sure I have 2 of these in another bucket. Yeah, I have 2. I have one more of these. So I have 2 in total. I think I've counted this before, and I think it had 100 pops. I'm gonna count it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 35, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. It has exactly 100 pops. That is super cool. And then I'm gonna leave the good side for later, but I popped a few of those on the good side. This is a cupcake puppet I got from Indigo. It's pretty good. I mean, it's not the best puppet I have. Oh, I love the square ones. There's just something about them. The sound of it's very good. Oh my god, that sounds very good. This is a pizza puppet, and it feels like a weird texture. Like, it's like different. On this side, it's good. It's like rubbery, but on this side, like, it's different. It's like paint or something. I don't know, but it does have a good pop. For sure. So, my favorite type of fidget squishies, and I have so many of them. In this bucket, I don't have like a lot of them, but I have 3 more buckets, as I said. So there's going to be 3 more parts of showing my fidget collection. It's white. Well, okay, this is definitely not color changing, but I feel like, okay, it's blue, but then it's kind of like lightish blue. I know it's not supposed to be color changing, but it does look color changing. Like anything like Neato-ish. That's not a Neato, by the way. It's something like a Neato. Okay, it's actually, I don't like this puppet that much. Also I have a blue one like this because it's super hard to like pop it, and it's like, can you see the difference? Okay, this, look, squish, squish, and then like just my fingers go into it just like that. Okay, but look at this one. It's like, it's not like the same, and then like when my fingers go in, it doesn't just go like I have to like press hard. It just feels weird. This is from Dollar Tree, but I have gotten good puppets from Dollar Tree. Like, for example, this puppet was from Dollar Tree, and it's actually way better. This puppet's very good. I mean, it's a keychain, so it's not the best puppet ever, but it's better than the other one. So that's why I got it, and I'm like, this puppet's gonna be good because my last one was like good as well, because that one was actually really good for Dollar Tree. Okay, then I have, this is a mochi. This is a mochi. As I showed you, the other mochi was like as big as its foot, but this is a jumbo mochi, and I can stick my hand through it. Look at that. That's pretty cool. I love the ears because they're fun to play with, like stretch. That's actually really cool. I love that one. I got this from Dollar Tree as well. It's like a hand. I don't know what it is, but I love the color yellow and pink together. It's very loud. But yes, we have that. There's something inside. I forgot what's inside this, so this doesn't count. I have this. It's sandish. Like, it's so dirty, but it has Orbeez inside. I love any squishy that has Orbeez. Okay, so this is putty. Oh god, okay. It's broken. It was already broken from before, so I didn't break it just now, but it's not that stretchy, so I don't really like these. I mean, it came in a big pack, which the pack is over there. I'm actually gonna go get them because there's a few mochis in there. I can show those too, so I'll be right back. Okay, I got them. So it comes in a pack like this, and then there's also mochis in here. I just put, it doesn't come with it, but I forgot how much this is for just a pack of, I don't know, it came with a lot, like this Galaxy, there's a lot of Galaxy ones and a few clear ones. I recommend it, but only a little bit, because it's like the only one that can stretch like kind of a lot-ish is the pink one right here. I don't know if that's only for my pack, but most of my mochis are like Christmas mochis, so yeah, we have like a Santa Claus. Most of my mochis probably are in the other boxes, but they just smell so good. I love the smell of these ones. They still smell fresh and new. So we have a snowflake, 2 Christmas trees, the Grinch, I'm gonna say this is the Grinch because he has a green face, a reindeer, and then some purple putty, a lot of like there's this clear one and a bunch of other mochis like these. Also comes with a candy cane one, which I scratched off his face. But yeah, we have a Rudolph. Actually, it's a different kind of Rudolph because his nose is pink. Santa Claus and a stocking. There's a few other ones. I think they're in my other Fidget collection. There's also a blue one. I love this one because it has rubber duckies in it. This is actually pretty cool. And there's just a lot of Galaxy ones today. Most of the pack is filled with different Galaxy ones. There's so many different Galaxy ones, you guys. So yeah, just in case you run out, better pack some extra. But this is for ages 6, I guess. It doesn't really matter the age, but yeah. But my dog broke this, so I only have one. No, I think yeah, it's in here somewhere. I saw it today. It might be in one of my other Fidget boxes. But this is also from Dollar Tree. A lot of things are from Dollar Tree because they're very good deals, you know, for fidgets. And then paw thingies. I usually get the octopus ones, but I found those at Dollar Tree, so I'm like, maybe I should get those. So I got this. I have this ice cream puppet. Very cool as well. A slow rising strawberry, which I can stick my hand in. Oh, okay, wait, I think. Oh my god, I did it. Okay, wait. It's very slow rising. Okay, I thought I had like a scent or something. It's a rainbow strawberry. Okay, this is very cool. Guys, okay, I'm gonna ask you a question. Do you think, okay, this is, I took this out of an atomic Nido, a color changing Nido, or a normal Nido? So you guys make your guesses and I'm gonna tell you guys. Alright guys, so the answer was, it's a color changing Nido. This is such a cool, like, type. I don't know, I just like it a lot. Because, like, okay, so it's like magenta. And then like dark purple. That's very cool. I love the feeling of it. I recommend that a lot. I have a green, it's not a Nido, it's like a Nido. I have one giant Nido, that's a purple one. I think it's in one of the other boxes. I'm not sure. Okay, I got this because I think it was like buy 3, get 2, I don't know what it was, but I picked this because it's cute, and it has a little zipper, and it's also a keychain, so yeah, and it does not pop good at all. I just like it because it's cute. I don't usually use it because, what can I fit in there? Coins. But, okay, this is missing an ear, so, but I love the feeling. I have another one of these, and its eyes have, like, I think it was sleeping or something. No, it has like heart eyes, and I love it so much because it has the other ear first of all, and it's not like scratched off, and they're both very slow rising. I don't really care how squishies look, like unless they're broken. But you see, this one's also broken. I just like the texture and stuff. I don't care if it's broken. Just care if it's broken, like everything's coming off. And that's a big deal. Like I can't play with it anymore, but if it's like an eye off or this piece off, I don't even care because it's still squishy and it still feels the exact same. Oh, okay, wait, I forgot I had this because I don't usually get plain puppets, but this, I think it came in one of those like galaxy looking fidget mystery boxes. It's very cool. It's also rainbow. Most of the things are rainbow. Okay, I'm gonna get something. This is its brother. I'm gonna go get its brother. Its brother. Okay, so I like this one way more because, first of all, as you can see, it has an actual like branch here, and it's like this one only has one for the branch, and it's green. And this one is all tie-dye, and it even has mini pops and way better pops, and it has a star that actually has a pop on it. So this one, it's pretty good. I mean, it's not bad, but I love this one because it actually has mini pops. So I remember getting this in like a fidget pack, and it was like Christmas fidget pack. I just like Christmas mochis, Christmas everything. Christmas is pretty soon, so yeah. And our elves are coming, because do you guys have elves? Another looking Nido thingy it's a unicorn face, and I got this at Indigo as well. I get a lot of things at Dollar Tree and Indigo. There's literally nowhere else that I usually get my stuff. This is also from Indigo. It has like Orbeez inside, but I don't hate it. I just don't like it because it's hard to squish. It's like very hard to squish. and it hurts my hand, and it has these little beads. Like if it was like, just I could squish it just like that, like this needle, but like smaller, like this size obviously, then I would like it way more. Like the color changing one. Yeah. Okay, guys, this is the Fidget. Not a lot of people have, I don't think. This is a very pretty color. I like the colors. It's a tangle, it's called. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. So, I don't think it could be like. Wait, can it be like this? I'm gonna try. Wait, no, I'm not gonna try actually. Yeah, and you can just move it around so it's a fidget, and it's very fun. You know, sometimes what I try to do with it, I try to make them all like a circle, but it just doesn't work. That's not how a tangle works. But it's very cool. As well, I have this caterpillar fidget thingy. Oh, I love the smell of these. I think it's missing a leg. Oh no, it's one of my other ones. Actually, the other one's from my brother. It's missing a leg. Oh my god, this is so pretty. This would count. I mean, no, this would like be like, this is so pastel. Oh my god, the pops are so good. Wait, I'm gonna pop all of them, and then I'm gonna do the good side. The bad side is very bad. Obviously, that's why it's called the bad side. But listen to the good side. That's very good sound. I forgot where I got that one from. Oh, I think India. This was, I think, from an order. Okay. Oh wait, I'm making music. Okay, this puppet is bad because, see, it doesn't make good sounds on this one, but the good side makes pretty good sound. But like, you guys are probably like, the bad side is supposed to not make a good sound, but this one makes completely no sound. Other ones on the bad side, like, let's see, this one, it makes a little bit of sound. See, still makes sound, you know? I have two marble mesh are the most like common things ever. I hate marble meshes, but this one's bigger than that one. So, oh my god, this is like a baby. I never noticed I had one longer, but yeah, yeah. You would be. No, I was gonna say something. Okay, so I'm gonna show three things. Okay, so this is like, it came in a pack with a bunch of colors. There's like a little shagginess, and it's a pencil topper, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's red. This is, I'm pretty sure, from Ryan's World. It's for my brother, but I have it in my collection. I love the smell of these, but this one doesn't have any smell anymore. It's gone, the smell. A llama mochi. Okay, this came in like a puzzle, so there's a lot of pieces, obviously, of different colors, so I'm not going to show everyone. Oh my god, I was actually looking for this pink needle. It's actually a real needle, so look, you see right here. So needle, it comes in a pack with an orange and banana, and it's such a like a nice pink. I like the color. My favorite colored pink is probably the pinkness inside, like a very light pink, not exactly the pinkness inside, but oh my god, this pops so good. Oh my god, okay, it's like the eyes. And it like eats stuff, random stuff. I don't know what it eats, but this is from my brother as well. I'm not sure why it's in my fidget collection, but I do have a pink one somewhere in my fidget collection. I did see today. I think I already showed you guys it, I'm not sure. So a fidget spinner, and this one's so pretty. It reminds me of a lollipop. You know how when you get something, sometimes you get bored of how it looks? Like, for example, I'm now bored of how this pop looks. But this one I never get bored of it because it's like a lollipop. Like, look at the center of it. Never get bored of that. I just wish I had more colors. That would be really good. That would be way much more better. Okay, we have a dog friend. I love dogs. And it has like sand inside its texture. Another dog friend, but this is a different dog friend because it's like pink, stretchy. Look at it. It's like one of those long dogs. What are those called? I don't know what those are called. I forgot. But I can swirl him up. Long circle. I have, oh my god, this is the worst. Actually, no, it's not. I thought this was like one of the ones. Yeah, okay, this is not the best puppet because it came from vending machine, I think. Pink, and it's not that good. But I still have it, and it's good for like a keychain. I don't even think I can open this. Yeah, I'm not even going to bother opening it. One of these infinity cubes, yes, okay. I love the colors. It's like warm colors, But that turquoise, I wish there was no turquoise, because if there was no turquoise, it would just be like a warm fidget. Okay, this little bird mochi. Chick, yeah, bird. I said bird. Wait, something's under me. Oh, it was a mochi. It was the Grinch mochi. Okay, what else in here? We're almost done. Okay, more monkey noodles right over here. Oh my god, these are Halloween colors. Except there's also black and green Halloween colors, but those just look so cute together because they're like Halloween colors mostly. So we have a pink bunny mochi. Oh my god, I was so sorry. It was like connected to him. Okay, we have a pink bunny mochi. Like that's the color of pink I think that I'm so like I don't really like globals anymore because they're cheap, which is really good because cheap things are always good, but there's air inside it, no water, no nothing. See, I like water ones, but not water ones that are like circle because those are not always good. I like the water ones that are like, that is so satisfying. I have a pink one, but I'm not sure where it went. So wait, it just ran away. These are, okay, I got this from Indigo, and it came in a pack with a rainbow one. So satisfying, but I have a, this is not glass. I think it only works on glass and like a window. But it's very, like it has such a nice, it has nice texture. Oh my god, okay guys, look. You know this textured sand fidget? I was saying, I don't know what it's called. This is the real dog of how it looks. Guys, tell me what this is called. What is this called? I'm so, like, what is this dog called? Like, I forgot. I don't know what that dog's called. Oh no, what happened to the dog? Oh, okay. We have, okay, this is, I think it's called Tango Pets. It's very cool because it has a little pet. I think I had one more. I'm not sure. Oh my god, okay, everyone says this is legendary because, even my friend says this is legendary because this got, okay, this was out of you know that Galaxy mystery pack that I was talking about that I got that circle fidget out of? It came in, this came with it, and it's a different fidget. Like, it's very different. I still like squishies more than it. A lot of people love this so much because, well, I don't know, just because it's like ultra rare, they're saying, legendary, yeah, but I think that this is like, it's common, because to me it looks common, but I don't think there's really legendary and common fidgets. Just, I still prefer squishies. Okay, this is very old, and I found it. Oh, sorry, and I'm counting it as a fidget because it's squishy. There's a little bite. Take your mouth in it. It's purple with sprinkles, and it actually feels pretty good. Sprinkles are falling off. Wait, like I'm gonna pick one off. Actually, I can't. The pink feels pretty squishy. I don't know, it's not that squishy because when you squish here, it's like harder. I don't know how to explain it, but it is. Oh, okay, I love this so much. Pup in a cup, and I think it's pup in a cup, pug in a mug, something like that, yeah. Either pup in a cup or pug in a mug. Because it is a pug in a mug, and it's, yeah, okay, yeah. I love that, so fun. And what else do I have that's not actually broken? Oh yes, here, I think I got this from a mystery bag. Yeah, I was talking about the octopus before. The octopus fidget I was talking about. It's right here. I have a few other ones. I think I got that from the mystery. Okay, I showed you guys that I hate this one because it's a green. And, I mean, not because it's green, because it doesn't work properly. I told you I got a blue one too, but this one is like shimmery-ish. The other one had little like dark green dots on it. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it does. It's the exact same texture. This one, the good side, it's not good at all. But this one, the good side, is kind of good. Kind of. Oh, okay, wait. This is actually broken, but I still make it work. I want to glue it, but you guys can be like, where is it broken? It's broken on the pink right here. But I love this fidget. I really love this fidget. Okay, so we have more mochis. I have another chick, which, okay, yeah. And then the pink bunny's brother or sister, something like that. I'm not sure. Oh, okay, I love this from Dollar Tree, and it's such a good fidget. It has little beads in it. It's like a water squishy, it's spiky. I love this. Looks like, you know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of like tomato. Like, just if you go like this and you have like a little thing at the top, it looks like a tomato. Same exact shade of red. Okay, this is a pen, and it's squishy at the top, so it's a fidget. Okay, I like these. Okay, I have a few of these. Okay, they're hard to squish, but inside there's like glue inside. My no, she's not really my friend, but she has one of them. And this one's really cute. I also have one that has an M on it and then a unicorn, I think. I don't know what animal this is supposed to be, like a fox or something. I really like that one because it's fun. It's very hard to squish though. Oh, okay, wait. Another mochi, a lion mochi. A snowball fidget, if we can, like that. Okay, I'm gonna show one more fidget. Actually, I don't know if we can do the whole. Okay, we have a pop tube. Okay, I'm just gonna go fast. More Halloween colors, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna go pretty quick because I want to be done soon. This is, I have a pink one as well. Not sure what that is, but we have that. We also have the yellow one's Buddy. I told you I have another one of these. I have a few of them. Another Ryan's World Squishy. That's not mine. Oh god. Okay, we have a pig, a long pig. It stretches, pretty cute, and I just squished its face. A lion, squishy lion, which I don't know if I like that. I kind of like it. I mean, but it's pretty weird. Marble mesh. We have a 2x chains in here. Oh yeah, this one I colored with permanent marker. I'm pretty sure with permanent marker. I used to hate these, but now I like them. I don't know, I just like them. More globbles. Oh, I love this. Sandy, stretchy guy. Lost its face, so I'm gonna have to draw on permanent marker again. Oh, here's. Oh my god. Okay, it has a ghost with it and then a Frankenstein upstairs. Okay, it's a Halloween squishy globble thingy. I'm not even gonna say anything. Okay, I hate this one. It's so hard to squish. I hate it. It's very old. This one's special because I have this at the bottom. I feel like it's special. Okay, this. Okay, we have textured monkey. We have, I think I have 2 mummies, yeah. We have snappers as well. So I'm gonna do a big one. Okay, that's good. And, wait, no, not our last thing. We have a SpongeBob squishy yo-yo and a thin monkey yo. And lastly, we have our snail. It's such a cool sound. Snail fidget right here. Anyways, guys, make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, bye.